Hello Gunpla builders, this is XJ, and today I'll be taking a look at the GNX Master Grade internal frame for now, because it is what makes a Master Grade special is that you can build a frame to have a look at its internal workings and its flexibilities to configure to your liking. And if you do it as a first step, you can enjoy the full master grade experience, I would say. And let's bring in the subject of matter. Height wise, you can expect about 8 inches tall, which is your average mobile suit size. The Jinx is what the Japanese call it. So let's check out the articulation of this mass produced. It has 30 units in the double universe. Let's start off with the head. It has a pivot, like rotation at the top, at the neck, and you can pivot forwards and back. Should be that much because that piece is anyway, for these siphons, which symbolizes the X, can probably bend that much back. And this thing is quite loose, so I'll go ahead and take it off. And the arms, for the shoulder, you can pivot forwards, pivot back, pivot up. And the arms can do quite well. It can do a full flush. It has 2 joints. Like that. The arms are on 2.0 construction, so you can lay it all flat. An interesting thing about this master grade, it has a specially designed, well, it has a special claw set just for this mobile suit. This piece is not jointed with anything else, so it will be this for now. But after you snap on the body parts, the body armor should be quite still. For the torso, you can bend forwards, and not so much back. For rotation, there's no hindrance at all. The cockpit, that's what it's famous for. It has a very odd cockpit right at the cock, so you can release it to have the pilot exit the mobile suit. It locks quite solidly, so it is good. But the thing that makes it bad is these 2 left skirt binders. They are very heavy after you have snap on the exterior armor. For the back thruster, this piece and pivot, these 2 are on a ball joint, weird skirts. For the pelvis, you can move it that, yeah, you can bend it that far out. It has this ankle guard. Well, it's a shin guard almost, so you can pivot up and down to grab hold of the bean saber. The feet is just on one rotation mechanism. You can do that much. The feet has 2 ball joints right here and here. You can pivot forward, back that much front. And the feet, the sole can move that high. Odd. I've done this very fast. So far, considering this model came from last year, a year old, it is quite awesome. Or so I figured. It wasn't quite well received by some Gunpla modelers. Well, due to these front binders, and probably these two as well. To be honest, it's actually quite handful, so gotta bear with it. And I hope I can get a great result out of this kit using different sorts of methods. So at any rate, this is it from XJ, and again, have an awesome year with how many days to go? 107, 365, 358 days to go. Ha, that was a lovely reference. So that's it. Ta-ta.